keeps doing this? Like, what does this mean? Guys, it's freaking ugly outside, but we're out, we're moving, we're gonna do this. I'm gonna pick up my grandma so I don't have to take Mason out in the rain, so she'll just sit in the car with him while I run into the bank. So yeah, let's go. Guys, look what came. I'm so excited. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of it as soon as this little one goes down for a nap. We are currently waiting for our lunch to cool down, huh? So we can eat lunch and drinking some juice. Yeah, is that just an empty bowl? I'm going to get it right now. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you my quick Valentine's thing. So I ended up using the second one that I got, so I just put this one in our room, then I hung that one there, and then I put the chalkboard one right there. I wanted to put it up more, but it just won't fit in that corner, so it's kind of just what that wall looks like for right now. And I ended up putting this on our front door instead of the screen door just because it wouldn't stick. I went ahead and put the second one right here by our coffee bar. I had more from last year, but I have no clue where my husband put them, so I am just going to wait until he gets home so he can tell me where he put those. But I also am gonna go back and get some more. I'm probably just gonna get duplicates of some of them. My eyebrows are not okay. I don't know if I'm just gonna keep hanging them here or if I'm gonna hang some above the TV, but they do have these sticker ones that I'm going to, they're like the wall stickers, that I'm gonna go ahead and put right here in this corner in front of Mason's toys, and I need to clean this. But it's raining and Mama don't feel like cleaning it, and my needy cat right here. So it's freaking raining outside, but that's okay. And I still have a pumpkin right here that I need to actually throw away. I actually have a few that I still need to throw away, but I'm not the only one who still has pumpkins on their front porch. From Sephora, so let's just go ahead and open it up. Whoops. And the first goal is to not cut yourself. I already forgot what it was that I ordered. Oh my goodness. There we go. So when I open it up, first I got these little samples, and let's just see what they are. So I got the Sephora Cream Active Hydration Instant Moisturizer Plus Cream. And then I got a Belief in Truth. What is this? A water scent. I don't know what this is, but sounds good. And the next I just got this Royal Rose Gucci Couture little sample. Let's see what it smells like. I don't want to spray it on myself. Ooh. Alright, that smells actually pretty good. Alright, so now let's just get into the box. Ooh, ooh. So this is the by Sephora Beauty Insider by lipsticks. And I'm going to take them out so you guys can see what they look like. Ooh, what is this? It's a lip balm. Alright, so first, this little baby one looks like this when you open it up, and it has like their indents right there. Ooh, it's actually pretty big for a sample. And then the next one, I think these are the same color. This one was in the shade Chai, and this one's in the shade Glace. So this is what this one looks like. It has like the color right there. Ooh, it almost matches my nails. Ooh, that's almost the exact same color as my nails. Alright. Ooh, this one's very pretty. And kind of like I'm twisting it, and it's kind of taking a little while to open, but that's just how much is in it, and that's what it looks like, and I accidentally. Ooh, yes, girl. Didn't mean to open it up and put it on like that. Well, let's try it out. Yes, it goes on nice and smooth, if you can see that. And then let's try the other one. I don't know why the cat got scared of that. And then the next one, the other one we have. Ooh, so they're like the same color is what it looks like when they're on. So yeah, that's exciting. And then the last thing that came in the box is a Sephora Beauty Amplifier Spray, the setting spray. And I can't wait to use this. I'm gonna go ahead and open it now and see if I'm gonna set my makeup after 2 hours. Go away, Kaya. She's like trying to play in the box, guys. Let's see if I can get this open. Ooh. All the little stickers. Getting there. I'm getting there, guys. I'm getting there. Okay. Let's spray it. It actually smells really good, guys. So try this if you haven't already. I'm just letting it dry. I feel like my eyebrows are already messed up, but that's okay. So yeah, guys, that was just my little unboxing of what I got from Sephora, and I'm really excited to use this. But I'm excited to know what this actually is. So I don't know. If you guys know what this is, please let me know, because... Oh, it's hydrating for skin for lasting suppleness and softness. Okay, so it's like, it's pretty much the same thing as this. So yes, guys.
It's quite like stuck. What's that? What?
What? You saying mama? Mama? Say mama. Ah, don't follow me. Say mama. Mama. Dada. Ow, you're stepping on my hair. Ow. Say dada. Kaya. Say cat. Say mama. Mama. Say mama. Say mama. Say mama. Look at that mess you make back there. You see that big old mess you make back there? Have knuckles? 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 I love you. I love you. I love you. Oh, are you tired? You ready to go night-night? You have 30 minutes until bedtime. Oh, look at all that drool. You see all that drool that fell out of your mouth? Are those your teeth? Show them your teeth. Show them your teeth. Go, ah. Ah. Guys, we're just laying here being lazy, as always. Playing, talking. Ow! Just hit me in the face. I don't like getting hit in the face, Pop. And we're watching the Heat. And I can't wait to go take a shower. Guys, comment down below if you guys have tried a DIY. I always say it backwards. Hair masks, because I wanted to... Excuse me, I just had ice cream and I have really bad indigestion now. I want to do a hair mask. Tease. Say tease. I love you. Oh. Dad? Is that Dad over there being lazy? Dad? Dad, right there being lazy. Ooh, look at that booties. Just kidding. You're that way. Ooh, look at that face. Oh, you tired? Are you tired, baby? Are you tired? Are you tired? tired. I love you. Yeah, why? I'm vlogging. Want to finish my video? I'm going to finish today's video. Blow kisses. Blow kisses, go. Do it. Oh, you blow kisses. No, not pick your nose. Blow kisses. Oh, mama hand? Okay. Oh, you blowing kisses with mommy's hand? You're so tealy and you got saliva right there. So guys, we're probably just gonna be cute and cuddle and play. It is 7:29, so we have 30 minutes until bedtime, huh? 30 minutes until bedtime for you. Guys, Mason put the tripod right there. What? Oh, what is this? It's Mama's phone. We're vlogging. Mason, did you see what Mama did to the wall? Did you see what Mommy did up there? You see those on the wall? On the wall. Up there. Up there. On the wall. On the wall. Up there. Look, by your picture. By your baby pictures. Oh, you see the kitty? What'd you do to your nose? What did you do to your nose? So yeah, guys, we're just gonna do this for the rest of the evening. I don't know what he's doing. What are you doing? He's being a Tilly Goober, huh? You being a Tilly Goobers? Oh, I love him. What are you doing? What are you doing? You see above you? What happened? What happened? You do a somersault? You tired? You going night? Wanna help mommy clean up your toys? Yeah, you help mommy clean up your toys? That's not helping mama clean up your toys. Hey, that's not cleaning up, that's making a mess. Put your animals back in there. Put them back. Is that a cow? Moo. Moo. Yeah. The milk cow? Moo. Moo. That's where your milky comes from. Your milks come from cows. Moo. Go. Moo. Moo. Yeah, good job. Good job, baby. Put it back. Moo. You're such a smart little boy. Moo. What sound does it make? Moo. Mason, why are you sitting on your kitty? So guys, this is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn your notifications on. And always check out all our other videos. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye guys.